Do you truly understand the language your car's engine speaks? Beyond the steady hum, subtle shifts in sound often precede catastrophic failure, acting as critical warnings that many drivers miss. These aren't just minor annoyances, they are secret messages, often signaling an impending death sentence for your vehicle. Ignoring an unusual engine sound is not merely overlooking a symptom, it is actively dismissing an engineering failure in progress. Each distinct noise, from a metallic tap to a persistent whine, translates directly into a specific mechanical malfunction, escalating in severity and cost if unaddressed. Understanding these auditory cues is paramount to preventing total system collapse. Consider the implication of a death sentence for an engine. This means a breakdown so severe that repair becomes economically unfeasible or structurally impossible. The stakes involve not only significant financial loss but also potential safety hazards for occupants and other road users. Identifying these early warnings is the difference between a simple repair and a vehicle write-off. A sharp, repetitive metallic knocking, often described as pinging or rattling, is one such ominous sound. This typically indicates pre-ignition or detonation within the combustion chambers. This condition arises from an incorrect air-fuel mixture, improper ignition timing, or excessive carbon deposits, leading to uncontrolled combustion. Unchecked, it can fracture pistons, bend connecting rods, and damage cylinder walls, irrevocably compromising engine integrity. A persistent ticking or tapping sound, particularly from the top of the engine, frequently points to issues within the valve train. This can originate from insufficient oil pressure, leading to dry lifters or worn rocker arms. Alternatively, incorrect valve lash adjustment or failing camshaft lobes can produce a similar sound. Prolonged operation with this condition causes accelerated wear on critical valve train components, affecting engine performance and efficiency. The shrill, piercing squeal that emanates from the front of the engine bay almost universally signals a problem with a serpentine belt or accessory drive. This usually results from a loose, worn, or glazed belt, or a misaligned or failing pulley. While seemingly minor, a failing belt can lead to the loss of power steering, alternator function, or air conditioning, potentially leaving the driver stranded and risking engine overheating if the water pump belt fails. A distinct hissing or whistling noise, often audible during acceleration or deceleration, can indicate a vacuum leak or a turbocharger issue. Vacuum leaks, caused by cracked hoses or compromised intake manifold gaskets, disrupt the engine's air-fuel ratio, leading to rough idling and reduced power. If equipped with a turbocharger, a whistling sound can signal worn bearings or a damaged impeller, which can lead to turbocharger failure and introduce metallic debris into the engine's oil system. Grinding sounds are particularly concerning due to their varied origins. If heard during braking, it suggests severely worn brake pads, risking rotor damage and reduced stopping power. A grinding from the transmission indicates worn gears or failing synchronizers. A constant grinding that changes with vehicle speed, independent of braking, often signifies a failing wheel bearing, which can lead to wheel separation if left unattended. A deep, resonant rumbling accompanied by significant vibration typically points to issues with the exhaust system or engine mounts. A loose or corroded exhaust component can create resonance and potential exhaust leaks. Worn or broken engine mounts transmit excessive engine vibration directly to the chassis, degrading ride quality and placing undue stress on other components, potentially leading to further damage. A high-pitched whine or constant roar that increases with engine speed, but not necessarily road speed, often indicates a failing bearing in an accessory component like the power steering pump or alternator. If the whine changes with road speed, it could signal worn differential gears or transmission bearings. These components are designed with precision tolerances. Bearing failure introduces friction and heat, leading to mechanical seizure. Crucially, many of these audible warnings are direct consequences of lubrication system failures. Insufficient oil pressure, indicated by a flickering oil light or unusual valve train noises, can quickly lead to metal-on-metal contact. Without adequate lubrication, components like crankshaft bearings, camshafts, and cylinder walls rapidly abrade, generating heat and friction that culminates in catastrophic engine failure. The progression from a minor, almost imperceptible sound to an irreversible engine failure can be remarkably swift. A small vacuum leak initially causes only a slight stumble. But if ignored, it stresses other systems, potentially leading to misfires and catalytic converter damage. Similarly, a minor bearing whine, left unaddressed, will inevitably lead to bearing seizure, causing extensive damage to the component it supports and potentially affecting the entire system. Professional diagnosis involves more than just listening. Technicians employ specialized tools such as stethoscopes to pinpoint the exact origin of a sound, isolating it from general engine noise. They then correlate the specific frequency and character of the sound with known mechanical faults, using their experience and diagnostic flowcharts to identify the underlying cause. This systematic approach is crucial. The financial implications of ignoring these secret warnings are profound. Addressing a noisy serpentine belt might cost $100. Replacing a failing water pump before it seizes costs a few hundred. However, neglecting these issues can result in an overheated engine, leading to cracked cylinder heads or block damage, repairs that can easily exceed several thousands of dollars or necessitate complete engine replacement. Understanding these auditory cues is a fundamental aspect of vehicle maintenance. Pay close attention to any changes in your vehicle's operating sounds, no matter how subtle. If you detect any of these critical warnings, consult a qualified mechanic immediately. Taking proactive action based on these secret warnings can save you significant repair costs and ensure the longevity and safety of your vehicle.